We are now on board the boat and hotel Marina. This is where our 11 hard-working students and their 5 hard-working professors diligently do exhibit their work done during the 2020 Springback Academy. Thank you, great work, bravo people. But before we go to Opatiji, let me show you this boat built in 1936 in Denmark. The godmother who launched it was a Swedish princess, and it was originally named after her, Kronprinsessan Ingrid. Hi Anna, hi Jelena. After the sailing Scandinavian seas in 1970, when I was born, it sailed to Rijeka and has been sailing Adriatic ever since. And here we are on the bow. My dear Aerowaves family, nothing gonna stop us, 'cause we are kings of the world! Now you will watch Cheers by Helge Bostad and Rue Slatten.